Welcome back to Beautyistic, everyone. Today we're diving into a product that promises to make your workday a lot more comfortable: the Master Massage Berkeley Ergonomic Saddle Stool. Whether you're working from home, at a salon, or in a professional setting, this stool claims to offer the perfect combination of posture support and comfort. Let's break it down and see if it truly lives up to the hype. First, let's take a closer look at this stool. It features an innovative two-part seat design, which is all about comfort and breathability. The unique saddle shape helps reduce pressure on sensitive areas while improving airflow, making long hours of sitting much more tolerable. The seat is height adjustable between 21 to 28 inches, which makes it versatile for different users and workstations. It also tilts between 20 degrees and plus 20 degrees, giving you full control over your seating position. This allows for better posture and spine alignment throughout your day. Now, the adjustable backrest is another standout feature. You can easily modify the height and angle of the backrest to ensure that you're fully supported while sitting. The padding feels soft and comfortable, offering much-needed relief, especially if you spend hours at a time seated in one position. But let's talk about what really sets this chair apart from others: the heavy-duty base and smooth movement. The 24-inch metallic base ensures solid stability even for larger individuals, and the polyurethane wheels glide effortlessly across different surfaces. Whether you're on hardwood floors or carpeting, this stool will keep you moving smoothly. It also has a generous weight capacity of up to 331 pounds, which makes it both reliable and sturdy. I've been using the Master Massage Berkeley saddle stool for a few weeks now, and the difference it's made in my comfort levels during extended sitting sessions is pretty remarkable. I primarily use it at my desk for video editing and content creation, so I'm sitting for long stretches, sometimes up to 6 hours at a time. In the past, I've dealt with lower back and hip discomfort, but with this stool, I've noticed significantly less pressure on my back, and I don't have to keep adjusting my position every few minutes. I do appreciate how easy it is to adjust the height and tilt of the seat. Whether I'm sitting or standing to work, I can find a setting that suits me. Plus, the backrest makes a huge difference. Instead of slumping or leaning forward like I usually do when I'm focusing on my screen, I can sit upright, feeling more aligned and less fatigued. Now let's get into the pros and cons. The pros are definitely the ergonomic design, adjustable features, and solid construction. The breathability of the seat and the overall comfort of the backrest really make this stool stand out for long-term use. The wheels move smoothly, and I love how stable it feels under me. But no product is perfect, and here are the cons. One thing I did notice is that the saddle seat, while great for posture, might take a little getting used to. If you're used to a regular office chair with a padded seat, the saddle shape might feel odd at first, but you adjust to it over time. Also, while the stool is designed to support larger individuals, it's quite bulky, which could be a downside if you need something lightweight or easy to move around. Now let's talk value for money. The Master Massage Berkeley Ergonomic Saddle Stool isn't the cheapest option out there, but considering its build quality and comfort features, I think the price is justified. The sturdy base, heavy-duty construction, and long-lasting comfort all add up to a high-quality piece that's made to last. When comparing it to similar stools, this one stands out because of its backrest and higher weight capacity. Some stools at this price point might not offer the same level of adjustability, or they might lack the durable design that this one has. If you're looking for a chair that can handle long hours without breaking down or compromising your posture, I think it's a solid choice. Speaking of build quality, this stool feels extremely well made. The metallic base is robust, and the seat itself feels durable. I've had no issues with the materials so far, and the entire setup seems built to last. It's sturdy enough to hold up through daily use in high-demand environments, from salons to tattoo shops. Customer support for this brand has been reliable in the past. I haven't needed to reach out myself, but from what I've heard, they are responsive and helpful when it comes to handling any inquiries. So, is this the right stool for you? If you're someone who spends a lot of time sitting, needs something that supports proper posture without sacrificing comfort, this stool is worth considering. It's especially great for professionals who work long hours, like in salons, tattoo studios, or home offices. If you're looking for a basic stool or something more budget-friendly, you might want to consider alternatives. But for anyone prioritizing long-term comfort and posture, this one definitely stands out. If this review has been helpful, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover this video too. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest reviews like this one. Thank you so much for watching today. If you've used the Master Massage Berkeley Ergonomic Saddle Stool, drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.